So any doubts from the last session?
Ma'am, in the last class, we got error while we using color in the head tag.
Yes. See, about the heading tag, we can apply the style through the CSS, either internal or external. So when we are seeing through the CSS style, we can discuss on that because you need to know some other style attribute. So with that, we can get it. Okay, we have to use style tag only. So whatever we write in the heading section, again you have to put in some other tags and apply that style either in different kinds of style sheets. So that we will be seeing when we are discussing the CSS styles. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So any more other questions you have? Anyone from offline? So did you practice the examples? I think I have shared the notes today morning. So after the class, I think I have shared the notes for you. So I have shared this about the different class 1 and 2 also. And whatever the examples we have discussed, I have shared. So how you will execute this? See, some people will get confused when you open this page. It will sometimes show you only the output. In mobile or something also you will open, right? So that time it will show you only output. So what you have to do is you have to right click and say open with notepad. So when you open this page, you will get the option to download. So where you will get, you have to just here open in new window, and then here you will get an option to download that particular file so that you can download it, and you can just open it with the notepad. Okay, so don't think that only outputs were sent. Okay, you have to open with notepad and check to see the output. Clear everyone? Okay, so like this we can apply different styles to our coding. Got it? Any more doubts we have? We have seen in the last session about, we have discussed about the complete full stack modules, and also we have seen about what is HTML and what are the different types of tags we have, basic structural tags, and also we have seen about the presentation tags, like how to bold, italic, and we have seen different presentation tags in that presentation tags. And next we have seen about the list tags, ordered list, unordered list. Like this we have seen different tags, right? Ordered, unordered, and also we have seen about glossary list or data definition list. So DT and DD. Clear everyone? Any more doubts you have regarding, did you practice ordered and unordered list? Okay, everyone
Yes, ma'am.
Visual Studio, right? Okay, so
Yeah,
now,
ma'am.
okay, fine. So after the ordered list and unordered list, we also have something called other background colors. We have already seen about the background colors and everything, like how to apply that, and break tags and everything we have seen. And let us also see some tags about the application tags. What we are going to see now, application tags. Okay, so what are the application tags we have? We have the application tags like forms, and also we have something called table tag. Like this we have different tags. Okay, let us first see about the table tag. What is that? Table tag. So what is this table tag means? We know how to create, like we know table means it is a combination of what? Rows and columns, correct? So that table tag can be created using this HTML page. So for this, in this we have the tag called, that is table. What is that? Table. So this is the main tag we write, and here we have one more tag called tr. What is that? table row. TR stands for table row. Okay, yes. And we have one more called TD. TD stands for what? Table data. What is that?
Data.
So we can give the table row and table data, and sometimes we need the table heading also. Like how, suppose if employee table is there, we have like employee ID, name, salary, designation. It comes as a heading. So for having the heading of the document, you can give TH for the table heading. Okay, TH stands for what? Table heading. So like this you will be having TR, TH and TD, and every tag will have the closing tag. Whatever you are writing, every tag will have what? Closing tags. So TR, and again you can create like TD tags. So finally when you are completed with the table, we will be closing the table tag like this. Okay, table tag like this. So now let us create one example on the table tag. Okay, so let us open our folder, file, open folder, and we have created in my computer Likita, and this we have created like HTML10. Okay, now all our programs will be there. So if anyone newly starting today, you may feel little confused. Don't worry, go through the recordings. Those are attending online or offline, and then you can just let me know in the next session if you have any doubts. Okay, so let us see here. Now these are the files yesterday that we have created. Now let us create one more file. Just wherever you want to create a file, now select this. Now we are going to create one example on table. So I'm writing table.html. What is that? Table.html. So now in this table.html, let us create our HTML page like HTML, and then in the HTML tag we are going to write the body tag, and inside the body tag we are going to write the text. In the body tag I'm going to write in some H2 heading, and in this H2 heading I'm going to write like example on table tag. Example on what? Table tag. And if you want this to be aligned in the right or center, you will be giving align attribute is equal to, you are giving what? Center. Okay, now H2 align equal to center. Now let us create the table tag. You want, if you want, you can create like one paragraph or H2 or H3, anything you can create, and you can just mention here like employee table. This is like employee table. And then let us start writing the table tag. So table, as I said, table will be having heading, row and data. So if you want first row, okay, it is starting with the first row. So in the first row, how many TDs you will be writing, those many columns you will get. Okay, so like first column, in the first row I want like everything as a headings. Okay, so for this I'm writing in the TR, I will be writing TH. What is that? TH. So first row, first column heading. Suppose you are writing like employee ID, like EID is your first heading. And again I'm writing one more TH, and here I will be writing like name of the employee. And then next in the TH I'm writing like designation of employee. And then I'm going to write one more TH, like TH like designation ID and mobile number of employee. So like this we have created, and close to the TR. TR or a TD both represents column data only, but whenever you are giving the data in TH, it will be displayed in the bold format. In what? Bold. Heading ఎప్పుడు కొంచెం thick color లో ఉంటుంది కదా. So by default whatever you give in the TH, it will be displayed in what format? bold format. So now let us save this and let us run this file using F5 and execute through the Chrome. So it will be displayed. So, but is it showing the table lines as a row and column? No, it is just displayed in a proper spaces, everything. So to display it as a table, you have to still just make some small modifications. What is that here? Every tag can have some attributes. Attributes are like applying more styles to it. So here we have an attribute called border. What is that? Border. Border is equal to, I'm giving like how much border you want, 3, 2, 1, like that. You can specify the border size. Suppose I'm giving here like 3 pixels or something. Save this and go back and refresh the page. You got border. And if you see EID, E-name, designation and mobile number are in bold, are in by default bold. Why we got in bold format? Because it is in TH format, not TD. TH or TD will be same, but when you give TH, it will be displayed in what format? Bold format. Clear everyone? So like this you will be getting. So this is first row has been completed. Now let us create another row. Any doubts are there? So now let us apply one more row here. I'm writing the second row. In this second row, I'm writing TD here. So just I'm writing the TD tag. And here, first I will be mentioning the employee ID 101. And then next, TD, I'm going to write. And the employee name, I'm writing like Likita. And then just I'm writing one more TD tag. And in this TD tag, I'm going to write the designation as some trainer. And next, in the TD tag, I'm going to write the mobile number, some 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this we are writing. Now I'm just saving this, go back to the browser and then refresh the page. So you're getting, so you saw the difference between TH and TD, got it? So this is
Yes, ma'am.
completely one table tag. TD, TH if you are giving, you get in heading format. TD means you will get the only content. Got it?
Ma'am, is
So
that border is mandatory?
no, if you want to look as a table, border is not always mandatory. మీకు border lines వద్దనుకోండి, border ఇవ్వద్దు. కావాలి అనుకుంటే ఇవ్వండి. జనరల్ గా మనం టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఫార్మ్ ట్యాగ్ నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ట్యాగ్ యూ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్సెస్. ఎట్లా అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఒక జీమెయిల్ ఆర్ యాహూ మెయిల్ ఏదైనా చూసుంటే సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ ఓపెనింగ్ సమ్ ఫేస్బుక్ పేజ్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ లైక్ ఫేస్బుక్ లాగిన్. సో ఈ ఫేస్బుక్ లాగిన్ అనే పేజ్ మీరు చూస్తే ఇట్ విల్ బి గివింగ్ యూ ద టెక్స్ట్ బాక్సెస్. ఇదంతా ఒక టేబుల్లో క్రియేట్ అయ్యి ఉంది, కానీ బార్డర్ కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? లేదు. సో బార్డర్ జీరో చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ప్రాపర్ స్పేసెస్ తో అరేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ చూస్తే గనక మీరు ప్రాపర్ స్పేసెస్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా? సో ఇట్లా మనం క్రియేట్ చేసే టెక్స్ట్ బాక్సెస్ కి కూడా మనం టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ లో రాస్తామన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో దాని వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి ఈక్వల్ స్పేసెస్ వచ్చి ఒక ప్రాపర్ అలైన్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. మనకి HTML చేసేదే ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్, కంటెంట్ ని ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ప్రాపర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ గా ఉండటానికి కదా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ we are creating like this in the table tag. So border is optional, you want you give, otherwise you make the border as 0. So if you make the border as 0, it will not be displayed, but it is arranged in proper format. ఇప్పుడు అదే టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ ఇవ్వకుండా నేను రాశాను అనుకోండి, ప్రాపర్ గా అలైన్ అవుతుందా? లేదు. సో ఎట్లా కావాలంటే అట్లా అలైన్ అవుతుంది. నేను అరేంజ్ చేయాలంటే చేయొచ్చు, కానీ ప్రతిసారి కోడ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి స్పేసెస్ ఇచ్చుకుంటా మార్చుకుంటా అరేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఇట్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్, మనకి టైం టేకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అండ్ హెడ్ టేక్. అలా చేసినా కానీ ఫర్ వ్యూయింగ్ ఇట్ వోంట్ లుక్ ప్రాపర్, అవునా కదా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్. And if you want, you give the border or make the border as what? 0. No problem. Got it? Understood? So like this we can create the table like with the different rows and columns. So TR represents table row, TH represents table heading, and TD represents the table data. Okay, so if you want again one more row, you can create one more row. I'm writing one more row tr, and inside this we are creating td tag, and inside the td tag I will write one more content like 102 is the td, and then again I'm writing the td tag here, and I will provide the name as like Siri, and then and I will be writing like here as manager, and I will be writing the mobile number like TD, and then I will assign some mobile number. Save this and go back to the browser, refresh the page. Got it? Yes. So this is how we create the table tag. Online students, everyone, is it clear how we created? It looks big, but it is simple. Like wherever you want table, write the door. Yes, we have, ma. We will discuss about all the properties of the table one by one. We have all the properties. So for the table, border is what? 0 we have given, and tr, th tags we have given, td tags for the table data. Any questions about this table, how we are creating? Okay, now once we created the table like this, okay, I will just give the border as 1 or 2 just to understand the difference, like how it is executed. Okay, I will just run it again. So we got the table like this. Now you want some attributes, you have some attributes for the table tag to give to look more properly. Ma'am, I want some spacing between the cells. You want like space between the cells. You don't want like, now the spacing is very near. You want your own spacing between the cells. There are two attributes here. One is cell spacing and the other one is what? Cell padding. So what is the difference between cell spacing and cell padding? So we have two attributes for the table tag. So in the table tag we have different attributes. So the first we have seen about the border attribute, and the border we can give whatever the value we want. And next we have cell spacing, and next we also have cell padding. Cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing means space between two cells. Space between two cells. Okay, and cell padding means it is the space between text and border of the cell. Text and what? Border of cell. That is the difference between cell spacing and cell padding. And if you see the output here, there is some space between each and every cell. Can you observe? So that is given by cell spacing. మన సెల్ స్పేసింగ్ లో ఏదైనా వాల్యూ ఇస్తే అది టూ సెల్స్ మధ్య స్పేస్ మీద వర్క్ అవుతుంది. అదే సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్ అని ఇస్తే ఈఐడి అని ఉందా, ఈఐడికి ఈ బోర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ కి కొంత స్పేస్ ఉంది కదా, అది మీరు పెంచాలి అనుకుంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో స్పెల్ స్పేసింగ్ అంటే ఈ మధ్యలో, సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్ అంటే బిట్వీన్ ద కంటెంట్ అండ్ ద border of the cell. Got it? So now I will apply those attributes here. So we can give the cell spacing and padding along with this. So I'm giving like cell spacing. So you can provide like for the table cell spacing how much you want. Okay, like 5 or 4 or 6, something whatever you want you can provide. Save this and go back to the browser, and then you can see the difference. Can you see previous one? I will just remove this again and show you. I'm just deleting this and save this, and see this is how we have now. Understood the difference? So by giving the cell spacing, you will be giving the space between two cells. Suppose I'm giving 10, it will apply more space. Got? Means around the cell it will give total how much space between each and every cell. Now I will be adding one more attribute for the table tag like cell padding. What is that? cell padding, and cell padding is equal to, I will be giving like I'm giving 5. First of all, I'll give 5 and just you can check. Go back here and refresh the page. You got? Between ఈ box లో space వచ్చిందా? So the cell padding means it is the space between the content and the border. Now I will be giving here like 15 or something. Just to see here, I have given 15. Now go back here and refresh the page. Space increase అయిందా? So it is the space around the text and the border. Cell spacing ante it is the space between two cells. Got it? Clear everyone? So these are the attributes we have with the table tag: border, cell spacing, and cell padding. And this is like we have tr, th, and td tags. Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear, ma? One more example I will write. Yes, we have cell spacing and padding that I discussed now. So step by step, one attribute I'm explaining. First, border. First, we have to create a table. Those who already know about some information about the tags and all, they will be like, ma'am, this and that. But there will be many people who don't know anything, right? So for them also, I have to tell them step by step. లేదంటే వాళ్ళకి అసలు అంతా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి కొంత బానే ఉంటుంది, బట్ అసలు ఏమీ తెలియని వాళ్ళని కూడా దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వెళ్తున్నాను. ఓకే, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ నౌ ఎవ్రీవన్? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, about this table tag, border, cell spacing, and cell padding, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'm going to refresh, run the page again. See, you will get output like this. If there is no spacing and padding, then it will be displayed normally like how it is displayed previously. You are giving just the cell spacing as some 8 and padding and 8 and spacing also as some 7 and border as 2 pixels. Now I saved this and refresh the page. You get like this. Clear? So one more example I will write on the table tag. See, I'm going to create a new file. Now I'm going to write like table2.html. Okay, those who are newly learning, just observe carefully HTML, and then we are writing the body tag. See, now whatever the colors you are applying, you can apply for your table also. Okay, now we have applied completely for the border. When you are applying for the body tag, we are applying the body tag bg color or style, we are applying for anything. So if you are applying for the body tag, it is applying like background color is equal to whatever color you are giving. It is applied for full page, correct? It is applied for full page. Now you want to apply only for your table, like how we applied the border, cell spacing, and cell padding. We can also apply background colors. We have separate topic on that. So when we see the background colors, we will apply for whatever we have learned for table, forms, everything. మనం స్పెసిఫిక్ గా రో కి అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, కంప్లీట్ టేబుల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, అండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ సెల్ కి కూడా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. Okay, so whatever it is, if you are observing here the table, so మొత్తానికి టేబుల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఒక కలర్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదా రో వైజ్ కలర్ మార్చొచ్చు, అండ్ పర్టికులర్ గా ఒక కాలం డేటాకి కూడా మీరు కలర్ మార్చొచ్చు. These all we will see with the background colors when we learn in the next session about the background colors. Then we will apply for all the tags that we are learning, h1 or whatever it is. Okay, so now here in the table tag, I'm writing the background color body can, and here I'm going to write one table, and you want as heading, you can apply always heading like h3 or anything. So I'm just applying like student table. So I'm writing just one student table, and here still we have uh, spanning in the table also, row span and column span. That also we will see in coming session. Now in the table tag, first we are writing TR. TR stands for what? Table row. And in the table row, we want as a heading one column, then we will write with what? TH. So So first I'm writing like student name, S name as one heading tag, and one more I'm writing in the TH like student course, like what is the course he is learning, and TH, and what we can have for the student address, so from where he is coming, and also we can give some other information like what we can give student name, course, address, and what is his education he has done, so that also we can mention like degree, MCA, MBA, or any engineering, whatever we want we can mention. So now this will come as your table heading. So for this you can always give the border is equal to, in double quotes I'm giving just 1, and here I'm giving like cell spacing also, like cell spacing, these are all called as attributes. So cell spacing is equal to, in double quotes I'm giving like 5 cell spacing, and one more attribute like cell padding, and in the cell padding also I'm giving in double quotes like 5 spacing and padding both. These are the attributes. Now this is a table heading. First row has been completed. Save this. Go back to the, okay, let us run the file using F5. So it got, so body background color. I'm just increasing the font, like page size, zooming it. Is it clear everyone? Can you see? Yes. Now here we will be writing one more tr tag, and inside this we were writing what, td. ఇప్పుడు td tag రాస్తున్నాను ఎందుకని, హెడ్డింగ్ లో అవసరం లేదు కదా మనకి. సో దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ వాట్, td tag. Inside the td tag I can write the name of the student. Okay, different names of the students. Suppose I'm writing here Rayappa, the name of the student, and then what is the course he's joined. So now I'm going to write like td, and then here I'm going to write like what is the course he joined, like full stack I'm writing, and then again I'm writing one more td tag, and here I want to provide the address like Hyderabad is the address, and then td tag, here education, like he has done engineering or MCA, whatever you want you can provide like MCA. So this is how we write the tr and td tags. Now I'm going to save this. Let us go back to the browser, run this. We got the information. We can add like this multiple rows. I have added single row. You can add multiple rows. I'm saving this, and you can add multiple rows, and in this I'm going to add another name, like I'm adding like Hari, and this is joined for full stack, and he has done like degree. And then I'm going to write one more row. For TR I'm starting, and here I'm writing like Sai, and he has joined for, let us say, only UI, and the location is like he's coming from Vijayawada, and address, and then he might have done some triple E is his educational qualification. So like this we wrote. Okay, so whatever we are writing between TR and TD. So TR open చేసి క్లోజ్ చేయగానే ఏమని అర్థం, ఒక రో కంప్లీట్ అయిందని. అగైన్ TR ఓపెన్ చేసి TR క్లోజ్ చేస్తే ఒక రో, ఆ మధ్యలో మీరు ఎన్ని TDs రాస్తే అన్ని కాలమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో బై మిస్టేక్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే గనక ఇక్కడ when I refresh the page, what we got, columns exactly matching. So now by mistake you have added here one more column for TD. Here you have added, and you have given some mobile number like this. Save this, go back here and refresh the page. How we got like this? అంటే మనం యాడ్ చేయగానే ఇంకొక కాలం యాడ్ అయింది దీనికి, అవునా? సో I have given mobile, but here it is not there. So it is just adding additionally and extending the table outer border. Correct? So we have to be careful while adding the information. Any rows unnai, any columns unnai. So based upon that, we have to add it. Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear about creating the table tag?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still anyone have any doubts? Please let me know. Once I will share this code in the chat box also. Just if you want, have a look at the code and just let me know. Have a look on the code and let me know if you have any doubts on the code. Offline students, you also just have a look on the code and let me know if you have any doubts on this. ఏమన్నా లెంగ్తీగా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా అనిపిస్తుందా? అర్థమవుతుంది కదా అందరికి? ఓకే. ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వాట్ అబౌట్ యూ? జస్ట్ మనం టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ కొంచెం ఎప్పుడు కొద్దిగా లెంగ్త్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది కానీ మనం రాస్తూ మనం మాడిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు కోడ్ని ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ. సో అటు వెన్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ రాంగ్ ఆల్సో ఓకే టీఆర్టీడీని మాడిఫై చేస్తూ ఉంటే మనకి కరెక్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, just have a look for 2 minutes and let me know if you have any doubts on this. So we have the document also. I will be sending the document about the table and how to give the headers and how it is displayed in the browser. We can see. Okay, so next, any doubts are there? Okay, don't feel shy like others know I can ask or not. If you want me to explain the same example or similar example with other table tag, I can explain. If you want, you can ask me, no problem. Okay. So next, along with the border, cell spacing and cell padding, we have two more important attributes here. One is like a row span and the other one is like what? Column span. So row span and what? Column span. What is this spanning means? If you want to divide your rows or columns into multiple columns or multiple rows, then you will be using this row span and column span. See, if you observe here about the table that we have created here. So now you want like multiple courses to be added or you want to add multiple addresses, then you want to divide one single column into multiple columns. Yes or no? So for that purpose, we can use this row span and column span. Suppose we have created here student table. We want to create one marks. One more column I want to add it for the marks. So now I will be adding that. See here. Okay, student table. And here I have added one more wrong column. This I will remove this TD tag. And here, okay, any questions I have asked? No. Okay, so now let us see here. I will be adding in the table structure like one more column like TH. Okay, I will be adding like marks. Okay, TH what we have added? Marks. Now here you will be giving here marks in the subject, like you have to add few more marks. Now if you observe here the output, I'm just refreshing the page, we got the marks, but I want marks to be again divided into 3 columns. What is that? 3 columns like M1, M2 and M3. You want to divide that single column into how many columns? 2 columns. So how to divide that? Using column span. You want to divide the column into 2 columns. So how we can give here is, here we have to, wherever you want the column to be divided into sub columns, there you have to use the what? Column span. So column span, how many columns you want to divide it? 2 columns or 3 columns, that you have to first decide it and then use the column attribute. So here you will be using the attribute like column span, and you will be giving like you want to first divide into 2 columns. Then save this, and just I'm showing you like it will be divided into, okay, it has not saved. Okay, once I will close this. And I will add the data here. Okay, so when you are dividing into 2 columns, here let us write like in one TD tag, and here you want like when it is divided in 2 columns, in the marks, that one column you want to add 78, and in other column you want to give in the TD like some 99, like this, some other marks. So like this you can add for all the column, because మనకి ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ, it will be adding for the first column, and see this is for name and course and the address, and this is for education. Again we have added 2 more columns. For that we also have to add some information, TD, that is like 78, and like you will be getting 78 and 99. So for every column you need to apply that. So like again in the second, here also we need to write like TD, and here also you have to apply some marks 66, and then I'm going to write in TD like 55, like this. And then here, okay, so we have added, okay, here also 2 more TD tags like TD, okay, where you can provide some marks 77, and then one more TD tag where you can give 99. So like this you can save this and refresh the page. So you will be getting like this. Now how many, it has spanned into how many columns? So single. Previously when I have added, it has added as a separate column, not in the education, right? But now I have taken one table heading as marks, and I have spanned into how many columns? 2 columns. Now marks is divided into how many? 2. So here we are getting 78 and 99. If you are spanning in 3 columns, again you will be getting 3. Got it? So how many you have given here, it will be spanned into that many number of columns. Suppose you have, if you are giving here in the last marks, you want to span it to the 3 columns, then it will be spanned into 3 columns. And when you are spanning into 3, you have to provide here 3 TDs just to display the data. 56. I'm saving this, go back here and run. Will be getting. So when we add, it will add. See, marks has been increased. It has not given in separate column. It has not given in separate column. Suppose here I have not mentioned here as column span as 3. I have given only 2. Now you can observe here. I will go back and refresh the page. How we got? As a separate column, as a separate column. So now to avoid that, you want marks, he has marks in 3 subjects, so you want to provide the 3 subject marks, then you have to keep the column span as what? 3. Column span as what? 3. Clear everyone? So what you will do is, I'm going to give you one assignment today, like how I have done column span. Everyone had to try with the row span. What is that? Row span. Same ఇట్లాగే row span divide చేయండి. నేను ఎట్లా కాలమ్ ని డివైడ్ చేశానో మీరు రో ని డివైడ్ చేయండి. అంటే లైక్ హౌ ద అవుట్పుట్ షుడ్ బి కమ్. సపోజ్ ఇలా ఎస్ నేమ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్లా అడ్రస్ ఉంది కదా, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్, టేబుల్ ని రివర్స్ రాయండి. టీహెచ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? You can have like S name, course, everything here, and then data can be stored like this. Whatever it is, you have to span the row in 2 rows. Got it? Did you understand the question? Online students, you also, before you join the next session, I will anyway share this example. By tomorrow evening, you can just try like this one example on row span. On row span. Clear everyone? So if you want, you can just make a note of this, how we are spanning. That is what I have given you assignment. If I tell what is there, like this only, how we have given column span, instead of column span you have to do the row span. Okay, రాకపోతే రేపు ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తాను రేపటి సెషన్ లో. సో రో స్పాన్ ఇచ్చినట్టే మనం కాలమ్ స్పాన్ ఇస్తే, కాలమ్ స్పాన్ ఇచ్చినట్టే రో స్పాన్ ఇస్తే రోస్ డివైడ్ అవుతాయి అంతే. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి చెప్పండి, లేదంటే రేపు చెప్తాను నేను.
Ma'am,
ఓకే
in
ఐషు.
rows, what we need to split, ma'am?
ఏదన్నా ఒక జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ 2 అడ్రసెస్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే, నేను ఒక బేసిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను, సో మీరు అట్లా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు, దాన్ని స్పానింగ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, టేబుల్ లైక్ ఫర్ రో డాట్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్. సో ఎట్లా రాసి స్పాన్ చేయాలనేది ఒక ఐడియా ఇస్తాను మీకు. సో జస్ట్ సీ హియర్, వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ ట్యాగ్, and inside HTML tag I'm going to write the body tag, and inside the body tag okay, I'm going to write the table tag. Okay, table, and inside this I'm going to write the row. Now how I will write the table structure is, first is the th, and in the th tag I'm going to write like name, whatever the name you want to apply, just I'm writing like name, and after this I'm writing td. Okay, so now in every row how it will be means, th is the first column value, heading will be coming in as a columns, data will be coming as what, like one by one reverse. I will show you the output. Name I'm giving like Likita, this is first. So how you are getting, I will just show you the output. Okay, so I will just increase a table border I will be giving. So border is equal to, I'm giving like 2. I will add few more rows so that you will be understanding how to create it. So here table row, again here I'm giving like name, mobile number. Okay, so I'm giving here like mobile number 1234, and here again address I'm giving, and here we are going to add the address as Hyderabad. Save this, go back to the page, refresh the page. So how we are getting now, name, mobile number and address. So previously we have given headings in the top, now we are giving as a row heading. Now a person can have 2 or more mobile numbers, yes, yes or no? So now in
Yes.
this row span, here this row can be divided into again 2 sub rows. Okay, so you can have 2 rows here for the mobile number, yes or no? That I am asking you to do. Okay, so you can create a structure like this. Again here this single row has to be divided into 2 rows. ఓకే, ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వాలనేది ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి, లేదంటే నేను చెప్తాను ఎనీవే. ఓకే, దిస్ కోడింగ్, దోస్ హు ఆర్ అటెండింగ్ ఆన్లైన్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ షేరింగ్ దిస్ కోడ్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం కావాలి కదా చేయాలంటే, సో అందుకని ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాను. సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ నౌ? ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్? Okay, the row has to be spanned into 2 rows. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఈ రో 2 rows కింద డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి. ఎలా అయితే కాలమ్ 2 columns కింద డివైడ్ అయిందో, ఈ రో అనేది ఇంకో 2 rows కింద డివైడ్ అయ్యి 2 rows లో 2 మొబైల్ నెంబర్స్ రావాలి. అర్థమవుతుందండి క్వశ్చన్? సో జస్ట్ ట్రై సింపుల్ వన్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్. క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్ about the row span and column span? Is it clear? Okay. So any more questions are there in this? See now, for whatever the table we have created, you want some background color for that particular complete table. Okay, when you want to apply. So for that, what we have given, BG color. So the background color you are getting as what? Complete, whatever. This is for applying for complete table. So for that, what I have given here, table border is equal to 2. What is that attribute I have used? BG color. So the BG color is how much? Well, like whatever you give, that will be coming as the background color of the table. Okay, so you can in table heading ఎలా ఇచ్చానో అర్థమైందా మీకు? TR లో ఫస్ట్ ఒక రో ఏమి ఇచ్చాను? TH ఇచ్చి దాని డేటా లిఖిత ఇచ్చాను, రో క్లోజ్ చేసేసాను, ఇక్కడ TR క్లోజ్ చేశాను. అగైన్ సెకండ్ రో ఓపెన్ చేసి TH లో ఏమి ఇచ్చాను? మొబైల్ నెంబర్. అందుకని మనకి రో వైజ్ ఫస్ట్ కాలం హెడ్డింగ్ లాగా వస్తుంది. And then again dan value ఎంత ఇచ్చాను? 1 2 3 4 4. And again that row I have closed. Again I have given TH as address and then same TH అంటే కొంచెం బోల్డ్ లో వస్తుంది అంతే. There is nothing difference. TD or TH same, just bold లో thick లో వస్తుంది అంతే మనకి. And like this we have given. Now if you apply for the body tag like BG color, so whatever you are giving the BG color for the body, as I'm giving like pink color, so I'm just saving this, go back to the browser, and okay, it was closed. Okay, we'll run this again. So background color is what? Pink. Only the table color is how much? Like you have given different color. Got it? Now in this you want for a
Ma'am, can
particular
you show the code?
color. Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, ma'am, can you explain it once?
Yeah, sure. See here, now about the color you are asking, or TH and TED tags?
Color, ma'am, color.
Okay, so now whenever you are using BG color for background color in the body tag, it will apply for complete web page. It will apply for complete web page. See, now I'm removing this attributes. Okay, see here, TR also I'm removing. For this here, I'm giving for which tag I have given background color? For the body. Whenever you say body tag, it is complete your web page. So for body tag I have given BG color is equal to how much? Pink color. Now I'm saving this and executing this. You see complete background of your page, everything is what? Pink color. Now you want your table with some specific color. Okay, table ki మాత్రమే మీకు color apply అవ్వాలి. So now here you are giving for the table border is 2. Here you are using the attribute what? BG color. So background color is equal to, you can give any color you want. Okay, like if you remember the color codes, it is difficult. RGB color code is there. It is difficult for everyone to remember the coding. So you can just give the color name here, whatever you want, green, yellow, pink, whatever color you want. So I'm giving the color yellow and saving this. And see, మనం ఇక్కడ టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ కి అప్లై చేసాం అంటే ఏంటి, కంప్లీట్ టేబుల్ కి ఎల్లో కలర్ అప్లై అవ్వాలి, పర్టికులర్ రో కాలం కి ఇవ్వలేదు. టేబుల్ ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేశాను అండ్ టేబుల్ ఇక్కడ మనం క్లోజ్ చేసాం అంటే కంప్లీట్ టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ లో మాత్రం ఎల్లో కలర్ రావాలి. Okay, I'm just saving this and go back here and refresh it. We got బాడీకి ఇస్తే మొత్తం పేజ్ అప్లై అయిపోతుంది. ఓన్లీ టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? కంప్లీట్ టేబుల్ కి అప్లై అవుతుంది. నా మ్యామ్ ఇట్లా నాకు మొబైల్ నెంబర్ రో ఉంది కదా, ఈ రో కి మాత్రం నాకు సపరేట్ కలర్ కావాలి. దెన్ okay, wherever mobile number row is there, for this tr I am giving here bg color is equal to, I am giving here in double quotes, like you want some other color, green, yellow or blue, whatever it is, I am giving like blue. Let us save this, go back to the browser and refresh. So what we got? Blue color. Got it? Understood? So like this we can get blue color for separate row. మీరు ఎక్కడైతే బీజీ కలర్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ రాస్తారో ఆ పర్టికులర్. నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ అడ్రస్ ఫర్ ద టీడీ యూ వాంట్ హైదరాబాద్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్. Okay, so here you are giving like bg color is equal to, suppose you are giving like red color is not applied. 1 second. Okay, let us apply for tr row. Some styles, some browsers may not apply also. Just I will check giving here like bg color is equal to, suppose I'm giving like cyan color, some other color. Okay, save this and run. Okay, we are getting. So like this for each and every row also we can apply. Okay, so like this you can apply for complete body of the page, or you can apply for specific row also. Okay, is it clear everyone about how we apply? See, ఒకసారి అడిగారు కదా చూడండి మళ్ళీ, బాడీ ట్యాగ్ కి బీజీ కలర్ ఇస్తే ఇట్ విల్ అప్లై ఫర్ కంప్లీట్ పేజ్. సో పర్టికులర్ టేబుల్ కి కలర్ కావాలంటే we will be giving like for complete table color is yellow. In that you want some specific colors for a particular row wise, then also you can give like blue, cyan, like that you can change the colors. So we have created one more table also right here. So here also I can apply. Just this is one more example. This is like we created this table. Everything is what? Blue color or can color. Here wherever table tag is there, here in the table tag I am giving like bg color is equal to, like I'm going to give like green color. సో స్పెసిఫిక్ కాలం కూడా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, అవి మనం ఇంటర్నల్ అండ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ స్టైల్స్ తో అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. వేరెవర్ టీడీ ఈజ్ దేర్ అండ్ సపరేట్ గా. సో అక్కడ మనకి ఇంకా ఇంకా ఎక్కువగా మనం స్టైల్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. జీబ్రా స్టైలింగ్ అని కూడా ఉంటుంది, అంటే ఈవెన్ రోస్ అన్నిటికీ ఒక కలర్, ఆడ్ రోస్ అన్నిటికీ ఒక కలర్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. అవన్నీ కూడా మనం సిఎస్ఎస్ స్టైల్స్ లో చూస్తాం. ఇది బేసిక్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ అన్నమాట. అంటే హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ ఈజ్ మెయిన్లీ ఫర్ స్ట్రక్చరింగ్ ద కంటెంట్, నాట్ ఫర్ ద స్టైల్స్. బట్ కొంచెం స్టైలింగ్ చూస్తాం అనమాట, బేసిక్ స్టైలింగ్. ఓకే, నౌ ఫర్ దిస్ ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ ద స్టైల్ అండ్ దెన్ లెట్ us go back to the browser, refresh. Only the table background is changed to what? Green color. And in a particular row you want some color, so e row. Okay, so first row wherever like Rayappa Reddy full stack Hyderabad MCA, and these are the marks. So for this row you want any other color, then for tr you are writing like bg color is equal to, in this color you are applying like some red color. So I'm just saving this, go back to the page and refresh. We got like this. Clear? So itla manam separate rows columns kuda manam color apply chesukochu. Is it clear everyone? Online students అర్థమైందా అందరికి about the table tag, about how we have to create the column span, and we have seen about in the table tr, td, th, and we have seen the attributes like border, cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing ki cell padding ki difference enti? Spacing ante it is between the cells, padding ante between the content and the border of the
border.
cell. Okay, clear? And also we have seen about the row span and column span. Column span means it will divide column into two or more columns. Row span means it will divide the rows into two or more rows. And we can apply this bg color attribute, that is background color attribute, for the complete table or individual rows and columns. Yes, we can change the font color also. That we will have a separate tag called font tag. అది చూద్దాం మనం stylings లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ లో చూద్దాం మనం అబౌట్ ద ఫాంట్ ట్యాగ్. ఫాంట్ ట్యాగ్ లో ఏమవుతుందంటే మీరు పర్టికులర్ టెక్స్ట్ స్టైల్, కలర్ స్టైల్ కూడా మార్చొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు H3 హెడ్డింగ్ రాస్తున్నారు, H1 H2 H3, ఏదైనా ఒక పర్టికులర్ టెక్స్ట్ కి ఫాంట్ టైప్ స్టైల్ అన్ని మార్చొచ్చు. మీరు వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఉంటుంది కదా మీకు, లైక్ టైమ్స్ న్యూ రోమన్, ఏరియల్, ఇట్లా డిఫరెంట్ స్టైల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, కలర్స్, సైజ్ అన్ని. సో అన్ని అప్లై చేయొచ్చు యూజింగ్ ఫాంట్ ట్యాగ్. మనకి సపరేట్ ట్యాగ్ ఉంటుంది ఫాంట్. Okay, we will see in that. So still any doubts are there? Online students, do you have any doubts still? Okay, those who have doubts, they can stay and others can leave. And one more reminder, you have something like session enrollments can be done in other 3-4 days, like maybe by 4th or 5th. So before, by 5th, maybe the link also might be changed after 5th or 6th. So that before that day, try to complete your enrollment. So once though, after that, who have enrolled only, they'll get the chance to attend like online or offline sessions. And notes and everything also will be changed. Okay, in 1 or 2 days, try to complete your enrollment.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Benny.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Benny.
Ma'am, even the beginners can understand the front end part. Means, I mean, I have a friend. I thinking to refer him. So he's asking me if he's a beginner from EC.
Okay.
He doesn't know the basic concept. I mean, core and advanced. So can he understand? Can he able to understand the front end part?
Yes, front end anyone can learn. I think by this time you understood it. It is easy, right? So, if to learn front end, do you need any prior knowledge? Can you tell me? No, right?
No,
See,
no,
it is
no,
like
basic.
anyone can learn mechanical, ECE, or with any knowledge or without any knowledge, anyone can learn it. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
any background student can learn it because anyway it will help also for them. What he has
Uh,
done, core and advanced, in which stream?
no, ma'am. He doesn't done anything.
Okay, no
So
problem. He
directly he
can.
want to join.
Yes, he can understand. Now, when if he is joining from tomorrow, also no problem. Anyway, every day I'm just revising previous day concepts, and also yeah, we will provide him all the recordings that were done till today. Since it is easy, he can easily follow. And in the next sessions, if he join at least 10-15 minutes before, I can revise him also
Okay, thank you.
whatever the sessions that have been done, so that they can follow it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so are you understanding the sessions?
Yeah, I'm understanding.
Okay, thank you. Still anyone have any doubts? Priya, Shruti, Ramya, Aishwarya, did you follow? Okay, then we will continue in the next session if you don't have any doubts.